Alright, so there are a couple other things in this top menu. This is kind of an addendum to the top menu. So this is where you're going to be living at pretty much when we're working this semester. But we also have a couple other features in the top menu here. We have quick save, so you can come up and click this little button here, and this will quick save whatever you're working on to the quick save folder. So if I hit quick save, go back to Lightbox, and we can click on quick save, and let's see if it's all the way at the back. Where's this thing at? There we go. So here's our little quick save. And so I can double click and that will bring up my object. Then we have see-through. So if I click on this little slider, this makes my ZBrush program see-through. So this is very beneficial if you have a file open. For instance, if you have an image of something that you're using as reference, you can have that on your desktop and behind your ZBrush program, and you can make this transparent so you can see it. We'll talk about using that a little bit later in conjunction with putting images on your grid. So next thing we have default ZScript. Don't use that. Then we have load previous interface colors. So we click through these, you can see that you can kind of scrub through and find, if you want a different type of interface color scheme. And that's really for whenever you get used to using ZBrush and you want to set up your own color schemes, you can, and you can save them in here. Same thing with user interface layout. I'm going to show you how to make your own a little bit later, but there are some presets up here, so you can click and you can see that we start to get different interfaces. And a lot of artists that you might find online also have their own interfaces that they either sell or give away so that you can work in the same color, or excuse me, same menu setup as someone that you enjoy. And of course, same thing here, we can minimize your ZBrush, but these are pretty useful. This one is the most useful, honestly, the see-through, and we'll be using that quite a bit. So that is an addendum to the upper menu.